Hiya, you're welcome to Morage Care School of Life Skill Nigeria. Again, my name is Modesa Omorenke Okini. I'm a trainer. I write. I train on life skill, relevant, critical life skill for the 21st century, for the digital economy, which has opened up a lot of opportunity for you and I to blow. So today, I'm going to talk in three-step process how to blow in Nigeria. Now, I discovered that a lot of people have talents, they have skills, very good skills, very good talent, highly talented and skillful people, highly intelligent, fast, strong, capable. But some people don't navigate their way to success. Maybe wondering, but this guy is good now. What's wrong with him? Sometimes it's because they lack the skill. You see, ability to navigate your way to success is a skill. They lack that skill, just one skill, and because they lack that skill, they may be shortchanged. Alright, but that does not need to happen to us anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate your way to success. Bear in mind that success is what you define it as. I cannot define success to you. You have to define what success is. Because one person may say, until I become a trillionaire like us, we are not successful. Some people may say, until I become a billionaire, I'm not successful. Some may say, until I become, if I can, some people say, if I can just have 5 million, I'm okay. Some people will tell you, look, if I can just build my own house, buy my own car, have my family with my children, and we are at peace, I'm okay. To them, that is success. So everybody defines success differently. So I cannot tell you what success is. You know what success is. But I'm saying that for you to navigate your way from point A to that point where you continue to be success, there's a process to it. And that's what I'm going to share with you in a three-step process. Number one, start something. Whatever you do, start something. Either you are in a career, start a journey, because it's a journey. Or you're a business person, start a business. Or you're an entrepreneur, start a venture, begin something. Don't sit down, start something. Start the motion, start the process, right? It's a process, it's a journey, start. When you start, the first sign or the first indication that you're on the right path is that you will experience some significant success, some level of success, some level of demand on that thing you're doing. If there's no demand, you're doing the wrong thing. Trust me, you're doing the wrong thing. Just change it. And one of the challenge a lot of people have is, they want to do something that they're so passionate about. My brothers and sisters, you see this passion thing, calm down. Once Bill Gates said that let what you love doing be your hobby and let other people's problem be your business. What am I trying to say? Don't insist on doing what you are passionate about. Do what there's a demand for. So if there's a demand on you for, maybe you decide to go into the fashion industry and you realize that there's a demand for gown. Every time you make gown, people always demanding for gown from you. Hey, and then people, you started something and then people are asking you, make gown for me. That's something you should focus on. Yeah, when you start focusing on that, you realize that there will be demand. People will be asking for it. You'll be making some money, some success, some amount of, so it might not be, you have not gotten to the point of blow, but there's a level of success, there's an amount of success. In fact, you might even start and you are not making money, but people like what you do and they keep encouraging, keep doing it. In fact, if you don't do it for a week, people say, you didn't do it this week, what happened? There is a demand. Keep at it. That's the first thing. Start and do what has a demand on you, not just what has a demand on anybody, on you. If you are in a career, for instance, your boss is always asking you to travel and go and do research. Your MD, CMD, everybody, anytime they want to do research and they need someone to travel, you are the call to guy. That is an indication to you. It means that you are succeeding in that area. It means that there's a demand on you for that. Next thing you do is to develop yourself in that area. Develop yourself in that area. Become an expert at it. Be good at it. There's a demand on you for it. It may not be that thing that you're passionate about. Just follow it. Follow that path. Follow that pathway. Follow it. It will lead you somewhere. It will lead you to the path where you blow. Trust me. Right? Now, the next thing is be consistent at it. Continue to deliver the same value. Don't stop. Keep delivering the value. Be consistent. Consistency is king. If you're not consistent, you will never achieve anything in life. You must be consistent. Keep doing it. Keep at it. Continue. That's the second thing. The second thing is consistency. The third thing is as you continue to do it, yeah, a door of opportunity will open up to you. There will be your eyes will be open to see an opportunity that is bigger than the one you currently do. Perhaps you work in an office and you've been delivering value as a researcher who travels for your company. One day, one day, as you continue, a door of opportunity will open. The company will say, we need someone. Maybe the company is about to expand to another region, not country, another region. Let's say they want to now, from Nigeria, they want to now expand to Asia. And they went into the organization and say, who do we know that is very good and that can start a research for us? And then they will choose you. Of course, naturally they will choose you because you're the best at it. They will choose you, and then when you deliver the value very well, they say, no, you're so good. We want you to be the regional manager. You have blown the that way. You have entered another level. And that's how people grow. That's how people grow. If it's a business, let's say you continue to do the ground, you're consistent at it. Suddenly, there's COVID-19. And then there's disaster. People are looking for clothes. They shut down the border and they said, who do we know in Nigeria that can produce the best clothes for us so that we don't get stranded? They'll call on you. Let's say you probably produce hand sanitizer. You started the business. You were selling it to supermarket. People are buying small, whether it's a small scale or in large scale, sure you are selling and you are making sure. And you saw that there's a demand. Because if there's no demand, you must stop what you're doing. There's a demand, there's significant progress and success, and you continue at it. Then suddenly there's COVID-19. The whole world is looking for. I'm not saying the whole country. I'm not saying the whole city. I'm saying the whole world is looking for hand sanitizer. You have blown with that now. An opportunity has been opened for you. You started something, you're consistent, and then at a point in time, a door of opportunity will open up to you to literally blow. It's a natural process. It always happens. If you start something, you are consistent at a point in time, a door of opportunity will open up to you to blow. Now, if you're not consistent, if you're not patient, if you're not delivering the same value consistently, you will not get to that point where you will blow. That's how this is life, I'm telling you. If you look at everything in nature, that's how everything in nature is designed. And that's how it is designed for man to also blow. I wish you success in your journey. I hope you learned something. But you see, what I have explained in this short video, I have actually done an extensive work on that, in what I've explained, yeah? In a book that I titled How to Make It Big in Nigeria. To get that book, it's only available currently in e-copy, of course, so that it's easy for you to access it, read it, either on your phone or your tab or your laptop. To get the book, if you go down on this video, you will see all the links. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it on www.mortgagecare.com, you can get it on Okada Books. It's available for your consumption. Yes, the full detail of how to truly make it big in Nigeria is in that book. In addition, please subscribe to this channel, because every week I'm going to be sharing with you different life skills that you need, so that you are not shortchanged in life. You don't need to be shortchanged. You will learn a lot of life skills on this channel. So subscribe. Don't just subscribe. Ask your friend to subscribe. Don't just ask your friend. Ask your brother, your sister, your neighbor. Tell everybody you know to subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Thank you.